Kuya Chris, kamusta? Long time no see. Pero nabalitaan ko na ikaw ay magsa-celebrate ng iyong birthday and I would like to greet you. Happy birthday! I hope that I get to see you soon. Enjoy your day and may God bless you and your family.
Hello, Chris! Ako, gusto lang kita batiin ng happy 22nd birthday. Uy! 22 lang yun siya! Happy birthday! And una sa lahat, I'm so happy. Napaka-lovely ng iyong family. At hanga ako sa'yo kung paano mo nababalanse lahat ng bagay-bagay. Mahirap yan as a parent, pero nagagawa mo with flying colors and ang fresh mo pa din. So I wish you all the best. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord ng maraming healthy years to come. Ikaw at ang buong pamilya mo. You deserve the best and nothing less. Happy birthday, Chris!
Hi, Kuya Chris! Ayan, Cheska Fausto here. Nako, happy birthday sa'yo. Grabe, ang tagal na natin hindi nagkita. Pero I just wanna say, God bless you more and more. Blessings pa talaga to come. And of course, projects. Mag-ingat ka lagi. I wish you good health. And super excited ako to try to stay sa bagong business place nyo. Ayan, sa casa. Soon na yan. I'll let you know. Ayan, happy birthday ulit. We love you so much.
Hi Sir Chris Chu, this is Winnie Marquez po. Happy birthday po sa inyo. I wish you all the best. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa birthday nyo. And sana kumain na kayo ng kumain, mag-enjoy kayo with your family. Happy birthday po.
Hi Chris Chu! Happy birthday to you! I wish you the best.